Long-reach clamps are designed for smooth operation and long life. All machinery wears over time, and when it's time to replace the polymer wear strips in a long-reach attachment, the patented Repair in Place system makes it easy. With simple tools, you can replace all of the wear strips on the attachment, typically in less than 1 hour. The wear strips are located in aluminum channels in the body of the attachment. They are resistant to abrasion and provide a smooth surface for the arms to travel on. When it's time to replace these wear strips, there is no need to remove the arms. Simply begin with the arms completely open and resting on a flat surface. Always remember to shut down the lift truck to avoid injury while working on the attachment. Next, locate an exposed end wear strip for removal. Using a 3/8 inch drive ratchet with short extension, remove the plug used to retain the end wear strip. Once the plug is removed, the worn wear strip should slide out easily by hand. Be sure to retain all removed plugs for installation of the new wear strips. With the first end wear strip removed, make sure everyone is clear of the attachment, then start up the lift truck, raise the attachment and close the arms completely. Lower the attachment so that the arms are resting on the flat surface and shut down the lift truck. Now that the arms are closed, the end wear strip on the other side is exposed. Remove this retaining plug and slide out the wear strip. With the two end wear strips removed, the longer center wear strip is now supporting the arm. When the new set of wear strips are inserted, the old center wear strip will be pushed out the other side. Start with an end wear strip. If starting from the right side, as shown here, start with the left end wear strip, making sure the hole orientation is correct. Insert it into the channel by hand. Tap it with a rubber or leather mallet if you encounter resistance. Next, using a mallet, tap in the new center wear strip. Finally, tap in the second end wear strip, making sure the hole orientation is correct. Align the holes in the two end wear strips with the threaded holes in the aluminum channel. Apply blue grade Loctite to the threaded plugs. Reinstall the first plug and torque to 50 foot-pounds. Open the arms and install the second plug. The other rows may now be replaced in the same manner. With the Long-Reach patented Repair in Place system, this attachment is back up and running in no time. Contact your dealer or the Long-Reach factory today to learn more.